In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. If you've decided Mailchimp no longer fits your needs or you're planning to explore other options, I'm here to guide you through the process of canceling your subscription, step by step. Let's dive right in to make this as simple and stress-free as possible. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. For this task, it's crucial that you use an account with either owner or admin permissions. This is important because only these types of accounts have the necessary authority to make billing changes like canceling a subscription. So go ahead and get logged in. Once you're in, you need to make your way to the billing settings. To do this, look toward the top right of your screen and click on your profile or account icon. This should bring up a menu where you'll find the account option. Click on that and you'll be directed to your account settings page. This is where you'll manage various aspects of your Mailchimp account, including billing. Now, depending on how your account interface is set up, look for either billing or plans and billing. This section is where all of your subscription details are housed. If you're currently on a paid plan, that's where you'll see those details prominently displayed. Once you locate this area, click to open it up. With your billing information in front of you, it's time to start the cancellation process. You'll need to locate your current subscription plan, which should be listed right there. Next to it, there should be an option that says either Manage Plan or Change Plan. Clicking here will start the process of initiation for your cancellation. When you select this, look for an option that reads Cancel Plan or Downgrade to Free. If a free plan is an option for your account, you might decide that downgrading suits your needs better than canceling altogether, but if not, go ahead and proceed with the cancellation. As always, Mailchimp aims to get feedback, so don't be surprised if they ask you to provide a reason for why you're canceling before you can complete the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your cancellation. Alright, after you've gone through the prompts and confirmed your decision, your Mailchimp plan will be canceled. Keep in mind, some features may still be available to you, depending on whether your account now uses a free plan. Remember, it's always a good idea to review any final confirmations or emails from Mailchimp, just to ensure everything is exactly as you've intended. Thank you for joining me in this straightforward guide on how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription. Keep exploring and find the right tools that work best for you. Until next time.